When people think of investing, they don't usually think of the stock market. Instead, they think of putting their money into something that will give them a better return than a savings account or a CD. The stock market can be an intimidating place for a beginner. It has a language of its own and a lot of seemingly insider knowledge that's not obvious to outsiders. Moreover, the stock market is a risky place and can be very unforgiving of even minor mistakes or misunderstandings. The stock market is risky and doesn't seem like the best place to put your hard-earned money, especially when you can buy so many other things with that same cash. However, it's not as scary as it seems, and it can be an excellent way to grow your money. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about the stock market and a couple of our top picks. The stock market is a trading platform where people can buy and sell shares in companies. The value of these shares, and therefore the stock market, goes up or down based on how likely investors feel particular stocks are going to generate revenue and profit for their company. Stock markets are open every day except on holidays and weekends. Although there are markets in countries around the world, the most famous and largest is the New York Stock Exchange. The New York Stock Exchange is the largest stock market in the world, with a daily average of $133 billion changing hands every day. For that reason, it's often used as an indicator of stock market sentiment. Investing in stocks essentially means that you are purchasing shares of a publicly traded company. There are two types of stocks you can buy, as well as a hybrid that combines the best of both worlds. If you're new to the stock market, you should start out by purchasing blue chip stocks. A blue chip stock refers to a large, well-established and profitable company in a stable industry. Blue chip stocks are among the safest and most reliable investments you can make. Large cap stocks. These stocks have a market capitalization of over 10 billion. Examples of large cap stocks include Apple, Microsoft, and General Electric. Mid cap stocks. These stocks have a market capitalization of between 2 billion and 10 billion. Examples of mid cap stocks include CVS Health, General Motors, and HP Inc. Small cap stocks. These stocks have a market capitalization of under 2 billion. Examples of small cap stocks include First Solar, Regeneron, and Eastman Kodak Co. Stocks are an excellent way to diversify your investment portfolio, as they are less risky than other asset classes. They can help you achieve your financial goals, such as saving for retirement or building wealth. They can help you manage your risk, as the market is cyclical and often experiences corrections. They can provide you with a regular cash flow and allow you to take advantage of dollar cost averaging. Visit your local brokerage. It's a good idea to visit your local brokerage and speak with an investment advisor. They will be able to help you understand the market and choose suitable stocks. Choose your investment vehicles wisely. Mutual funds, index funds, and exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, are good options for beginners, as they let you spread your risk across many different companies and industries. Stay diversified. When choosing stocks to invest in, it's important to diversify your portfolio across different industries, such as healthcare, technology, and financial services. Okay, we're going to explore three types of stocks that are good for beginners, and why they make good investments. Apple. Apple is one of the most profitable companies in the world, and it is expected to generate $95 billion worth of revenue in 2022. Apple is best for long-term investors, as it has a low dividend yield and low earning growth. GE. GE has been a consistent dividend payer for decades, making it a good choice for anyone looking for a steady stream of cash. GE is best for long-term investors, as it has such low short-term growth potential. Microsoft. Microsoft is a top 5 brand, is growing at a rapid rate, and has a high potential for growth. Microsoft is best for short-term and long-term investors, as it has a high dividend yield and high short-term growth potential. There are a number of places you can invest in stocks, such as your local brokerage, online brokerage, or a robo-advisor. There are a number of advantages to choosing an online brokerage over a traditional broker. The most important one is convenience. Online brokerages provide a wide range of investment options and a user-friendly interface. They are also more cost-effective than a traditional brokerage because they charge lower fees and offer commission-free ETFs. Additionally, online brokerages often offer educational resources and helpful tools, such as financial goal trackers and retirement planning tools. With all these benefits, online brokerages are a great choice for beginners. One of the most important things to do as a beginner investor is to manage your risk. One easy way to do this is to use a risk-based approach to investing. There are several different types of risk when it comes to investing, including the risk of loss, diversification risk, and liquidity risk. Risk of loss. This is the risk that you will lose money. It is important to weigh the risks of loss against the potential return when choosing which stocks to invest in. Diversification risk. This is the risk that your investment portfolio will be too concentrated in one industry or asset class. To avoid this risk, it is a good idea to diversify your portfolio across different industries and asset classes. Liquidity risk. This is the risk that you will not be able to sell your investment in a timely manner. You can reduce this risk by diversifying your profile across assets that are easy to sell, such as stocks and bonds. This was a beginner's guide to the stock market, what you need to know. The stock market can be an intimidating place for a beginner. It has a language of its own and a lot of seemingly insider knowledge that's not always obvious to outsiders. Moreover, the stock market is a risky place and can be very unforgiving of even minor mistakes or misunderstandings. However, investing in stocks is one of the best ways for an individual to build wealth over time. The stock market offers an opportunity for you to grow your money faster than any other method outside of perhaps winning a lottery. I hope this video helped you understand everything you need to know about the stock market as a beginner investor. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button, and if you want to be notified when I next upload, hit that bell icon just to the right of it. Leaving a thumbs up is always greatly appreciated also. If you have any thoughts on the video, please do share it with me down below in the comment section. Alright, take it easy.